What I wish I knew at dental school instead of memorizing teeth charts was how to throw a knockout punch. Meet Dr. Sam, once a full-time dentist, now a fearless UFC fighter. Imagine trading the sound of a dental drill for the roaring cheers of an arena crowd. Dr. Sam did just that. With zero fighting experience, he stepped into the octagon driven by pure passion and a heart full of courage. People told me I was crazy, but the only crazy thing is not chasing your dreams, Dr. Sam says. Every jab and uppercut was a lesson. Every fight, a lecture far different from dental school. Dr. Sam faced setbacks, yes, but with each, he learned something vital about perseverance and resilience. As Dr. Sam puts it, it's not about how hard you hit, but how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. So what's stopping you from chasing your dream? Remember, it's never too late to fight for what you truly want. Dr. Sam's journey proves that sometimes the biggest risks lead to the most rewarding victories.